Hi guys, so this video is going to be different from all the other videos I made. So basically what happened was I had some teeth removed, and so now I have to eat everything soft, and I've been craving candy, chocolate candy. So what I'm going to do is try something. And so this is a cup of raisins, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them in here. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this with some water. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Okay, so I have about a half a cup of water. Just going to go ahead and put that in here. I'm going to blend this up. Okay, so I got it blended pretty well. I'll show you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some PB2 to this to make like a make it firm, because it's soft right now. Okay, so I'm going to just try a quarter cup of PB2. If you don't know what that is, that's powder, that's peanut butter powder that they extracted the fat from. So I put that in there. Now I'm going to blend this up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add another quarter cup of PB2 in there because it's still liquidy. Okay, now I'm going to do another one because it's still runny. I think what I'm going to do is finish adding the rest of this PB2 in there, which is probably going to be a little less than a quarter, but I'm just going to go ahead and add it all in there. And then I'm going to blend that up. Okay, so it's still a little runny, but I'm going to go ahead and take this out of here and just mix it for a little bit and see what happens. Okay, so this is the texture I kind of have right now. I was hoping for it to be thicker, and the only other thing that I could use to thicken it right now would be I have a little protein powder, or I have some oatmeal. I may try the oatmeal. Okay, so I'm going to add a half a cup of quick oats. Focus quick oats to this blender. Let's see if I can't blend this up a little bit. Okay, so it made like a nice powder. We're going to go ahead and put that in there. And just go ahead and stir it until it gets thick. Okay, so it's still a little runny. I still want it a little bit thicker, so I'm going to go ahead and mix up about this much more oats, about a cup more. I'm just going to blend that up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. And then we're going to mix that up. Okay, so now it's got a nice consistency. And I'm just going to make these into little balls and put them on wax paper. Okay, so I got my pan. Just get a pan or something solid. Piece of wax paper. And then here's my mixture. Nice and firm. Where you can roll them into balls now. See? And just for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to do it with one hand. Just lay them out. Like that. Just place them on your sheet. And I'll go ahead and continue this, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, there's my balls, and there's about 16 balls here. And then next thing I'm going to do is going to take this chocolate. This is vegan. You can use that. I already have almost a cup here. I'm going to try to do a cup first. You want to do small portions at a time when you do this, because you don't want to burn your chocolate. So you want to make sure you have a clean bowl, but make sure that the bowl is dry. And then you're going to go ahead and put your chocolate in there. Then we're going to microwave this for 30 seconds at a time and then stir. Okay, so that's all you want to do is put it in there 30 seconds. And we're going to go ahead and do that and stir. Okay, after 30 seconds, you'll see that there's a little bit of melting going on, but it's not ready. So we're going to go ahead and give it 30 more. And we're just going to keep doing this until this whole bowl is melted. Okay, here's after the second set of 30 seconds. Okay, so as you can see here, This was 60 seconds altogether so far. You see how there's still chocolate bits? We still want to microwave that a little bit more. 30 more seconds. Okay, this is 90 seconds total. And you just keep stirring it. As you can see, we're really melting good here now. Okay, so this is what you want. You want your chocolate like this, dippable, pourable. And we're just going to bring it right over to here. And see if I can set you down on something. Oh, will it work? Will it work? I don't know. I need a book. Alright, well, I couldn't find anything to set you down on, so we're just going to do it like this. So you just drop it in. You can use your fork, or you can use a toothpick, or whatever you want. And we're just going to dip them and set them down here. You're just going to do the whole batch like this. I think using a fork is fine. So I'll go ahead and finish these up and I'll be back. Okay guys, they're done. That was just the right amount of chocolate. You see what I have left? And that's how they look. So now what you're going to do is refrigerate these in the refrigerator. Just until they get hard, then you can eat them right away. Or you can, you could freeze them in your freezer for like Christmas, which is coming up. They're a nice little, sort of like a no-bake dessert, right? That'll be soft, especially for people that, like me, that is suffering with tooth loss. So, or anybody really. These look like my peanut butter balls, but instead I put the raisins and the oatmeal in it. So, I do the same thing, same way. So hopefully, guys, you'll enjoy this little recipe. I'll come back when it's ready and hard, and I'll tell you how long it took. Guys, this is 20 minutes later, and they're ready. They look good. They're nice and solid. I'll show you this one. It's all plated up. So I want to show you this little trick. So if you're taking these to a party, you see how there's excess. Let me turn my light on. There's excess chocolate here. You just take a knife and you can just cut the excess chocolate off. Just so that it'll look a little prettier, as a nice presentation. You don't need to, obviously. You can eat it like that, but if you want to, like I said, take it to a party or something. And then stick a little piece of wax paper on your plate, so that you'll have it. And yeah, you could take these to anywhere. You could just have them for home, or you could take them to a party. See, I'm just going to clean them up a little bit here. A little chocolate here and there that needs extra. And yeah, these look good. It's better to do it on a separate plate, but just like that. And we'll go ahead and cut one of these here in a second. Just get this cleaned up, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here they are. Now you may notice that some of them look like this, and some look like that. Well, this just is what I was running out of chocolate a little bit, but I wanted to use what I had, and since it's not for a party or anything, I didn't care. But if you're using it for a party, I would just suggest to go ahead and heat up some more chocolate so you can get a full dip. So that's what a full dip looks like. And this is what kind of like a dip is, and then you kind of go around the bowl. But that's the only difference you can see from the beginning. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up one of these to show you what it looks like. Take a pretty one. Okay, that's what it looks like on the inside. Don't look good. Okay, guys. So that's what it looks like up close again. And that's what it looks like. Doesn't it look yummy? Please try this recipe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tune in for more videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one. Okay, guys, we just tasted that one little piece, and it's awesome, right, honey?
Wow. Yeah, definite 10.
So we'll have to come up with a little name for our treats. But when I name them, or when we name them, I will put it in in the title, so you'll probably see it.
Sure.
But
did you remember to tell them to hit the bell for more?
Nope. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and
hit that bell for more videos coming your way.
And these are definitely going to be a nice Christmas holiday treat. Here's our tree, but we don't have any decorations up on it yet. And we may not. I don't know.
Yeah, people get busy.
All right, guys. Take care now. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Take care.